In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Airtel Xstream Play app on a Samsung Smart TV, step by step. First, turn on your Samsung Smart TV and make sure it's connected to a stable internet connection. Press the Home button on your remote control and go to the Apps section. Select the search icon, the magnifying glass, and type Airtel Xstream or Airtel Xstream Play. Choose the app from the results and click Install. Once installed, open the app. Log in using your registered Airtel mobile number and confirm with the OTP, or scan the QR code shown on the TV using your phone for faster login. Some older Samsung Smart TVs running Tizen OS may not support this app. In that case, you can use an external device like a Fire TV Stick or Chromecast. The app is free to download, but you need an active Airtel subscription to watch content. And that's how to download Airtel Xstream Play on a Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching.